Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Expert Mind. I am Fahad and today I'm going to make an electromagnet. Yes, an electromagnet. The most easiest project I have ever done related to physics. Let's check a demo and then we will proceed to video. So the components you will need to make this electromagnet are quite simple. You will need a 9 volts battery, as you can see. A switch, a copper coil. You can easily buy it at store, or if you are getting some difficulties to buy it, then you can get it from some DC motors. A matchbox, 2 bolts and 1 roller. Yes, that's all. Additionally, you will need a glue gun, so keep it near and you will need that in your project. And as like the other video, during the video I will remain in the silent mode. Enjoy the video and let's talk to a day. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give it a big thumb, share the video and don't forget to subscribe.